Hello, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper. In this video I'll show you how to enter recovery mode. In the beginning, make sure that your tab is turned off. Now press and hold power button and volume up button simultaneously, and when you see Android logo, release power button. Keep holding the volume up button and we are in recovery mode. To navigate via recovery mode, we have to use volume up down button, and to confirm, press power button. In recovery we can reboot system, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run locally test, or power off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.